Halo globe replacement is an exciting innovation from Halo and is designed to be a retrofit of Halo LED strip lighting to any globe fixtures. The design is simple and consists of a Halo globe holder which fits into any globe fixture, and then the Halo LED strip lighting is quickly and easily connected to the globe holder. Simply screw out the existing globe. Insert the Halo globe holder. Connect the Halo LED strip. Strap the Halo LED strip onto the structure and then switch on. The benefits of Halo over any globe fixture, including LED globes, is a much improved performance. In computer simulations, we compare the Halo 1 Alpha in half a meter piece to an 18-watt LED globe spaced at 5-meter intervals. The red and yellow colors indicate the high light output, with the lighter colors being the green and the blues showing low output and zero light output. You can clearly see in this simulation the remarkable increase in performance with an even distribution of lighting with minimal dark spots. Also note that with this model, a 50% energy saving was accomplished. When we compare with the 1-meter piece of Halo 1 Alpha, then there is a considerable increase in performance, with the entire floor area completely and well lit with no dark spots whatsoever. The Halo LED strip lighting used in the globe retrofit has an expected lifespan of up to 10 years and will outlast any other globe or fixture. Another benefit is the low profile nature of Halo LED strip lighting, with it only being 4 millimeters high. This will prevent it from being damaged by putting it out of harm's way, unlike bulky conventional lighting systems. Halo will outshine and outlast any other lighting globe or fixture, guaranteed.